Journal Butcher. Sap B has one of the first auto-stitch procedure for creating journal entries. You can create the journal entries as draft first, correct and post them later. When the user is creating a journal Butcher, it is for storing several journal entries draft. You can change journal Butcher as long as they have not been posted yet. Then you can access the journal Butcher, make any necessary correction, and post the entire journal Butcher. You do not have to post each journal entry individually if you want to post the journal entries individually. However, you must create a separate journal butcher for each journal entry draft. You can save an unbalanced journal butcher as long as it is in the draft mode. To create, change, and push journal, choose financial. This journal butcher. You can remove a journal butcher or delete an entry from a journal butcher as long as they have not been posted. Use data miner or click directly on the journal butcher. The posting period. When you create a new company database, you can create the posting period for the first fiscal year. Posting periods split the fiscal year into sub-periods. Sub-periods are created automatically by sub-periods one in the fiscal year. The available sub-periods are year, quarters, months, and days. Using this information, the system automatically creates the corresponding number of posting periods. You can change these periods if necessary. The first posting period must be defined at the time the company database is created. Afterwards, to set up a new posting periods, go to the administration, system initialization, and posting periods. From here, you can update the generated period such as date ranges, create new ones by choosing new period. You can also set or change the start of the fiscal year. You can create a posting period for the future fiscal year at any time. Period and closing. At the time of the period, at the end of the period, month, quarter, or year, you must transfer the balance of the P&L accounts to retained earnings account. You have to choose an administration, utilities, and period and closing. To run period closing. With the period and closing function, you can choose P&L accounts and periods and specify our retained earnings and period and closing accounts. When you execute the period and closing, the system generates a list of proposals for closing entries. You can accept each proposal individually. After you accept for proposal, the system transfers the account balance from the expense and the revenue accounts to the period and closing account at the same day. This sets the account's balance to zero. At the same time, but with the first day of the following posting period as the posting day, the system transfers the balance from the period and closing account to the retained earnings account. The period and closing is a clearing account. Two transactions are created for each account, and two journal entries are automatically related to reflect those transactions. Now, the retained earnings account, which is balance sheet account, contains the total brought forward cumulative profit. Journal entries posted by the period and closing utility have the origin BC. Note that you can store the result initially as a report and then post them at the later stage. To make posting after entering the balance carried forward, you need to repeat the period and closing routine to include this subsequent posting. So in the exercise manual, so in the incoming payment, you have to create an AR for invoice immediately. For example, C2 to post your invoice with payment that allows you cash discount. So to make sure that discount is not applied payment, choose the due date and select dates over 1 month in the past. In this exercise only, leave the posting date as today. Subtract sales, AR invoice. So posting this investment item will a warning message about the date. So the post incoming cash payment, you have to choose banking, incoming payments, and incoming payments. So select the invoice position in the first step. So choose go in payment or payment means icon from brain bar. You can also click and choose payment option. Choose the cash tab, click the total field. Select Ctrl at B to copy the payment about the total field and choose OK. Choose add and configure entries. Open the incoming document. Do I create the journal entry to the transaction number field. incoming payment will discount using quick payments. The customer per invoice amount is discount using a check. Post the payment using the check payment means create an ER invoice income. So you have to choose sales, ER invoice. To select any item from the accounting tab, choose the accounting tab. Check if the default payment allows you default. Tip to check the payment terms for a customer. Click the orange navigation arrow the payment terms field. If the cash discount field is blank, select cash discount from the drop list to see the terms for the cash discount. Click the orange navigation arrow. After the system message, choose update and choose OK then add. In the post incoming check payment, choose the banking, incoming payments, select the open invoice put in the previous step, just go to payment means, choose the check tab, press tab to move the amount in the row, check Ctrl V to copy the payment amount to the amount field and choose OK. Choose add in the payment entries, check the posting, open the payment document that you just created, navigate into the learning entry through the transaction number field, check the automatically cash posting. As you can see here, in the partial incoming payment, the customer pays part of his step of the open ER. To create an ER invoice, choose sales, ER, so post this invoice to any conversion with any item. Ignore the warning message about the due date. So partial income payment. Post partial income coming payment paid in cash by your customer. So you have to choose the banking. Incoming payments. So then select the open invoice posted in the previous step. Click in the total payment field and select the open item and enter an amount less than displayed. Choose go to payment means, choose the tab cash, note that the balance due field displays the reduced amount. Click the total field, select Ctrl plus B to copy the payment amount to the field. Choose OK and choose add to your entries. So check the customer account balance. Open the incoming payment mode that you just created. Open the orange arrow to the left of the business partner code. Just open the business partner master data. Choose the orange arrow to the left of the account balance amount. Select the check display and record trans only. Make sure the invoice and the partial payments are not displayed. So the outgoing payments, choose the purchasing AP. In AP invoice, post the invoice to any bidder with an item. So post an ongoing payment, bank transfer, choose the banking ongoing payments, select the open AP invoice you created in the previous step, go to the means, choose bank transfer tab, put the cursor on the total field and press Ctrl V, choose OK and choose add. So in the cash deposit, go to the banking, deposit. So choose the cash tab. You can choose different cash account if you deposit money from another account. You choose add. So the manual reconciliation, to verify the transaction recorded in Sap B1 against the balance received from the bank. To create adjustment, if required, use the manual reconciliation function. Type the ending balance of the external bank statement according to outstanding date. Click as say you receive an external bank statement for the bank account with an ending balance of XXX. The bank statement is updated for today, entering the ending balance supplied by your instructor. So you have to choose the banking. Banking statement and manual reconciliation. Choose OK to OK. Choose OK to open the reconciliation bank statement below. So clear to transaction. The table displays the file open transaction as recorded in your books. That is transaction for the sub business one. Under the cleared column, select the process for the transaction you would like to, with the currency and the balance. Structure based by one payment transaction and one deposit transaction.